conversation of talking about your home in English when friends or someone visit to your home. Hi guys, welcome to my home. I'm so happy you are here. Hi Rahul, this neighborhood is so quiet and peaceful. We love it. Yeah, I'm so happy to live here. Please come in, I can't wait to show you my new home. First comes the hall. The hall is really bright and spacious. We like it very much. Let me show you the downstairs rooms. Please follow me. Next is the living room. There are the TV and speakers, a tea, coffee and snacks table in the middle, the sofa and two armchairs. Wow, we love the colors. It looks gorgeous. We can see you have some nice family photos out there. Yes, that's right. Okay, let's move to the next room. Next is the dining room. All my family members eat together on the dining table here. The table is really large and the chairs are so elegant. We can see there is a tablecloth on the table. Are you expecting guests tonight? That's right. My aunts and uncles, cousins, grandparents and all my relatives are coming tonight. So we are gonna have dinner here together. Come on, let me show you the kitchen now. So this is the beautiful kitchen. This is my mom's favorite place in the home. Wow, we think it's lovely. The kitchen is not too big, but we have everything in this kitchen that's very useful and what we need in the kitchen. A sink, a stove, a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge. We also have many cupboards and drawers. And having windows in the kitchen for good ventilation in kitchen and an exhaust fan. Okay, let's go to the next room. Next, it's my study room. I usually come here when I want to do my work and to read the books. There are so many interesting books in the bookshelf. I can give you some books if you guys like or want some books. Really, that's so nice of you, Rahul. Thanks. Do you usually do your homework here? No, I always do work in my bedroom. Sometimes I come here in study room, depends on my mood. My parents come here pretty often when they need to work on the laptop. Next is the bathroom and restrooms downstairs. It looks very nice. We can see there is a shower and a bathtub. Let me show you now another room back of the house. This is our special place, the games room. Have a seat please. In this room we use for our free time with our friends, family, cousins and all relatives who visit our home. And we play different games and watch TV with our friends and all relatives. We feel very relaxed in this room. Next is the laundry room. It's pretty small. Here we keep the washing machine, the laundry basket, the ironing board and the iron and the cleaning tools. Next is the garage. We keep here our cycles, bikes, cars and some other stuff. Upstairs we have two bedrooms with their own bathrooms. Let me show you my bedroom. Wow, your bedroom is awesome and fantastic. You have many great posters on the wall. And whose guitar is this? Is it yours? Can we play some songs? Yeah, it's mine. You may, sure. Let's go out on the balcony now. We love the view from the balcony and the garden with flowers are beautiful. There is a backyard and a shed. We keep all the garden tools here and the lawn mower. So friends, this is all about my home. I showed everything to you. Thank you. So that's it guys. In this way you can tell about your home when someone or friends visits to your home. Hope this helps you all. Thank you. So please like and share this video, support us, do subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more new videos.